grades 9 and 10 in a PE and health class. The Common Core state standard that I chose to work with is CCSS.ELA literacy.WHST 9 and 10. The standard states that students will gather relevant information from multiple authoritative print and digital sources using advanced searches effectively, assess the usefulness of each source in answering the research question, integrate information into the text selectively to maintain the flow of ideas, avoiding plagiarism, and following a standard format for citation. The objective for this lesson is that the student will be able to identify and demonstrate an understanding of proper dietary and fitness habits for teenagers by using research and determining the validity and credibility of their sources. I've chosen this objective because it is part of the Common Core standards for this grade level. I've also chosen this standard because it is essential for students to learn how to properly perform research projects, recognize and determine the validity and credibility of their sources, and correctly cite their sources. This project will be the foundation for developing skills needed to correctly put together a research assignment. Section 2, Student Grouping. How will you group your students for instruction? To begin the lesson, I will use whole group instruction. After the students understand the basic components of how to conduct research and recognize validity and credibility of their sources, I will split the students into groups of 3 to complete their assignments. I've chosen this grouping method because I believe that students will be more focused and pay more attention to the introduction instruction before they are split into their groups, and to also give an opportunity to clear up any confusion and answer any questions before the students are split up. I chose to make this a group assignment because students need to learn how to work with peers and collaborate ideas. Section 3, Methods or Instructional Strategies. The teaching methods that I will use in this assignment are lecture with discussion, small group activity, graphic organizing, and presentation. At the beginning of the lesson, there will be a short lecture and discussion over basic concepts in research and examples of dietary and fitness habits. In small groups, the students will set up a graphic organizer in order to put their thoughts together. To finish the lesson, students will present to their peers what they have developed. The lecture with discussion method was chosen because I believe that it is the best way to deliver information to the students and clear up any confusion before the students begin working together. I chose the graphic organizing method because it is a great way for students to break down a topic and put together ideas and group those ideas into specific categories in order to put together a great final presentation.
Yeah, go ahead now.
I chose the presentation method because I believe that it is important for students to be able to present information in front of their peers. Thank you.